Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and today I'm the host on Tesla Tomorrow, and I'll be doing a technical analysis for the weekly performance of Tesla stock. I'll be doing price action with you. I'll be giving you important levels to watch, what are the zones of strong support, and what could be expected from Tesla stock in coming days and weeks. Also, I'll be covering a lot more what happened post earnings. I'll be taking you over some of the news and sharing my personal opinion as well, that what I'm doing with Tesla stock and why I'm really not worried about all that noise in the market, in the media, about analysts downgrading the stock and left or right they're criticizing Elon Musk. I'm just not worried at all. And throughout this video, you will get to learn about it, that why so. With that, please remember, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Also, hit the like and subscribe. All right, guys, let's begin. So, I'll be using a lot of my tools that I have developed over the course of many years throughout my trading experience. If any of these tools throughout this video gets your interest for yourself as well, if you would like to use, you can follow my Junior Trader channel. Either there will be a link here in the video section, or also you can just search for me on the YouTube. And in any of my videos, you will find descriptions of my tools as well that I use. So you can just follow the links from there. All right. Now, so Tesla stock. Let's cover some of the high-level items that we have. Okay, so we had earnings. So let's pop on what happened during earnings here. So Tesla missed on both ends. They missed on earnings, at least the Wall Street estimates. And they also missed on revenue by 1.65%. However, Tesla is still a profitable company here, guys. It's just that by certain numbers, they missed the Wall Street estimates, which, as I'm saying, I'm not worried about it, and you'll get to learn soon. So now, there are a lot of things happen in the earnings and post earnings. So let's take a look at some of the important elements that we can be looking forward to from Tesla. So Tesla looks to start production of new EV model in mid-2025, Reuters says. Tesla has told suppliers it aims to start production of a new mass-market electric vehicle called Redwood in mid-2025. The EV model has been described as a compact crossover by two of the four people, which are working for Reuters. Last year, Tesla also sent requests for quotes to suppliers in relation to the Redwood model and forecast a weekly production volume of 10,000 vehicles. Elon Musk also mentioned in the earning calls that by the end of the year, they are looking to ramp up this production as well. So they're starting off with a smaller ramp of 10,000 vehicles at a weekly level. And then by the end of the year, Elon Musk sees that ramping up to a full-blown factory production model. Elon Musk also said that it's not going to be a regular manufacturing plant. They are also implementing a lot of innovation in their manufacturing system, which hasn't been done before. And I would believe that is to eliminate all different type of unneeded costs that comes with manufacturing. I'm pretty sure he must be looking to have manufacturing done simpler than the current complex processes. But we'll get to see more about that. But there's definitely something coming out next year, as per Elon Musk, that will be for the mass market. What else we have here, guys? So Tesla executive confirms incoming new Model 3 performance variant. So Tesla confirmed that the company will release a refreshed Model 3 performance variant in the future. What happened? You should get the Performance 1 once that comes out. James May, who recently bought a new Model 3. So just to cut to the chase, what happened? Like, what's the background of this whole story? So Tesla unveiled the refreshed Model 3 in the US earlier this month. The company listed two variants so far, namely rear wheel drive and the long range. However, the performance variant is not listed yet, but it's coming out soon. So that's another one. Now, there was also a mention of Optimus, which is their AI robot or Tesla bot. Elon Musk says good chance of shipping some number of Optimus units next year, but keeps quiet on deploying Tesla bot on factory floor. So that's something we have seen some videos already. If you are a follower of Tesla or Elon Musk, you would have seen some videos how Elon Musk's robots have been shown performing tasks in the factories, and so that's something is also Elon Musk is looking for the next year. Now, here's the thing, guys. Now we are getting into some of the elements that closely relates to the stock price. So that was a bit of gist of earning calls. We know Tesla missed earnings, but they've only missed the Wall Street estimates. And also guys, Tesla is the fastest growing company. And even if they missed some estimates, they still beat their previous record. I mean, I'm just not worried about it. And when I cover the technical analysis, you will still soon get to know that why I'm not worried and I'm taking this as a buying opportunity. So Cathie Wood, here we go. Cathie Wood's ARK scooped up Tesla stock during Thursday. So we all know Tesla after post earnings was falling. And Cathie Wood ARK Innovation Exchange Traded Fund bought 148,000 worth of Tesla shares, worth about 27 million, and based on the day's closing price. They don't give the exact range, and these so many shares, they can't even just buy at just one single price, right? It all, because there's a liquidity element to the stock trading. So, but wow, yeah, so Cathie Wood is stepping in, and you will soon get to see, and the reasons, yeah, regardless of what other people are saying in the media that, oh, it's been a train wreck. No, I mean, they buy at the top, and then when the stock comes down, they start saying, oh, it's time to sell, or it's just gonna keep falling. I mean, no, yeah, because I'll take you over the technicals and you will soon learn. Okay, another article before we jump into the Tesla stock analysis. So Tesla to hit 550% growth by 2030, say funds manager David Barron. Elon Musk is not going to do anything stupid to change the trajectory. So they're targeting staggering $1,200 Tesla stock price by 2030. So, well, anyways, guys, so these were some of the articles. Now let's jump into Tesla stock analysis, technical patterns, charts, giving you all the support levels and what all in all, how I'm reading the Tesla stock. So we are on the daily interval, and let me show you real quick that Tesla is in the downtrend. We are forming lower highs, lower lows. There is no denying that Tesla is falling. But when something falls, usually if the company is great, fundamentals are great, you believe in the company, you have to identify, hey, if you are not in the Tesla stock, how do we get in? And what are the areas to watch? Again, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. Remember that throughout this video, you will get to know as I'm giving those support important zones as well. And through the reading of the price action, I'll also tell you if that support doesn't hold, price action, there are ways of reading the price action. And if that confirmation doesn't come, yeah, things can go much lower. But for me, as if you have been following my channel as well, you know I'm building my position in Tesla slowly and slowly. And I'll be giving you the levels as well where I'm just gonna go a little bit heavy as well on my position. Now, so guys, we are below 200 days moving average. We are below 50 days moving average. We are also below 20 days moving average. Tesla has, as it's bearish as well, it's long running into this channel now, inside this channel as well. Before we come back here to the daily, and I'll show you a lot more with data, I want to go to the weekly interval. And here we have Tesla. As you can see, this weekly candle closed below 200 weeks moving average. And it's a strong red weekly close candle. It's no kidding, guys. So Tesla is definitely going, at least right now, to the downside. But now, here we talk about why I am not worried here. The bottom of this channel, is at $163, and the range is $150 to $163. This is, for me, a huge support zone for Tesla. And this is the level. So I'm already trickling in my position into Tesla, but as if Tesla comes around this area 163 and 150, I'm going to go heavy. For me, this is a buying zone. Not saying that Tesla is just going to rebound from here. There is 80% likelihood, 80 to 90% likelihood that Tesla will rebound from here. And this is an element or a zone for swing play as well, swing long. For anyone who does swing trading, I do. And even for intraday traders, this is the place where they would look for the rebound. I'll talk about intraday level as well. That will give more clarity. But that's the zone, guys, that you can't miss, 163. Now, let's go to the daily level back again. And let me pop on my indicator, the short volume person. And funny enough, we are not getting high short sellers here as well at these levels. And for the good reasons that most because short sellers were coming in at 44% over here, 44, 46% at the important support levels to break those levels, right? And those were leading indicators that Tesla is going to go much lower and fall. These are the places where short sellers usually cover when we are still seeing red candles, but we are not seeing a high short volume. They're taking their profits. These could be also leading indicators that soon enough there might be a pivot coming. But price action needs to confirm that, and we'll talk about that as well in just a second. Now, Tesla is also oversold here. But again, you can't just trade off of one indicator if something is oversold. You have to combine things together, and most importantly, have the price action confirm it. Price action is the king, guys. That's the thing. Nothing else really matters. It's all about price action and earnings calls. Okay, earnings are the things that creates these black holes, right? Or earnings and the price action is what it matters, and then you take other elements to create your confluence with indicators, especially all other media news. Not too much I'm worried about those, especially when analysts just comes and they say, hey, oh, when the stock price is falling, they say, oh, it's going to just keep falling. When the stock price is going up, oh, it's just going to keep going up. So I'm not too worried about them, and that's why we do technical analysis here. So Tesla, as I have given you this level of 164 and 153 is where the important support zone is on Tesla. Now let's talk about what shall we be expecting from Tesla stock come next week. Okay, as I'm saying that Tesla is still bearish, there is still likelihood that Tesla will keep following that trend unless price action confirms otherwise. Now, what are those levels, you ask, junior trader? Now I'm on my hourly interval. You will see some more levels show up on my indicator, which are intraday levels as well. The black ones are the significant levels. The blue lines are the intraday levels. Now, if you have access to my indicator, you can change settings however you like, change the color, the line code, all of that stuff as well, with all other settings that you can do. Now, here, my dashboard, also with my indicator, only 5 minutes says we are bullish, and 15, 30, 60, and 240, which is 4 hours interval, we are red, either cooling off or bearish, right? And so right now, sentiment shift hasn't really happened on the bigger intervals. So putting all these confluence together, guys, what are the levels I'm looking, and what is the sentiment? Okay, so you like it or not, guys, I want Tesla to come down to $163 to $150 range, because this is where I just want to load up more, right? And if it goes lower, if the price action doesn't hold, there are ways to confirm the price action. And I'll tell you in this video as well how to confirm those price actions. I would love to load more at lower prices because I'm not worried. I know how Tesla stock works. Oh, sorry guys, didn't mean to go back to daily interval. Here we go, hourly interval. Now, so the levels that we are watching, guys, on Tesla. So for the next week, if Tesla on Monday gets above this level of 187 and 66 cents, it will likely for the rest of the week can give you the trade all the way to $200 as well. But this is where I would say we might have a little bit of a stronger resistance for the reasons that we have a psychological level $200 and we will have this 200 hours moving average catch up. And this is where I expect Tesla to start declining a little bit more. But this could be your intraday play. To put it simply, this could be a intraday play, and you can have your stop loss below one of these levels that I have on my chart, right? Now this is the long play. Now if Tesla goes above $200, guys, then Tesla will start changing its direction again. Okay, on the 4 hours, hourly, it will start becoming bullish, and then there is more likelihood that Tesla can go above. It may really again, I mean, get above in the range of $240 again, but that is still far-fetched. Price action hasn't confirmed that yet. So for the next week, at least for upside play, this is intraday play, speaking totally about that, or even swing 2-3 days of play. If Tesla gets above 187, this would be a stop loss range, and at least to $200 Tesla stock may come. And above that, possibly 207 and 212, if provided we see support above $200, right? I'll tell you how to identify support levels or resistance levels in the price action itself at these important key levels that we talk about. Now, what is for the downside? Tesla very likely, guys, can continue to the downside if, well, first of all, if it breaks $180, this is the current acting support, we for the next week can go down to this range of $150 to $163, the ones that I have been talking about. And on the short side, you have to have your stop loss around 187. Now this could be an intraday play, or, well, you can even have a stop loss somewhere here as well. But don't hold the short position above 188, that's what I mean to say. And this could be a swing play as well on Tesla. Now, how to confirm on the price actions? For that, I'll have to jump to the 5-minute interval just because we have a lot more, price action data to cover. Now, you will be seeing these orange lines as well on my chart. These are also part of my indicator. These are the day trading levels, which helps you, and these lines even shows up on my indicator before even the market opens. Now, Tesla, in the price action, guys, at these important levels, when you see price action rejecting, you can see multiple candles forming, but VIX at the top, price is not able to go up. You very well know Tesla is gonna go the other direction, and then you see Tesla goes where? To our next level. Then we see candles forming support here, and we see a blowout again to the top, rejects at our next level. Tesla was mostly choppy. You will also have cases where it's bullish position and rejection positions to the downside, and how to use these levels I have covered in my other videos as well. But what I'm trying to emphasize here is that how to see the price action itself at these levels is that when you see price reaching at these important levels, you read the price action. Is it rejecting? Is it resisting? Multiple candles forming, but price is not able to go up. Oh, well, wow, yeah, we will be going to the next level down. Oh, now at this level, the price action has tried to show support. We are very likely going to go to the next level, and so forth, guys, right? So you get the idea. But this is how you even read the price action. Well, guys, this is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and valuable. I provided you all the levels that you would need to be watching for the next week. Tesla is though downtrending, but for me, in my long-term position, this is the time to potentially, add into my long-term position. And I also gave you the intraday levels for swing and, day trading on the hourly intervals. So, guys, with that, have a good one. Safe trading, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.